Hello everyone, welcome back to Capsa. Have you ever wondered how your body stays stable despite external challenges like extreme heat or a heavy meal? That's thanks to homeostasis. In today's video, we will explore how your body achieves this balancing act and why it's crucial for your health. We will break down this topic into key concepts, systems, and real life examples. So let's get started. The concept of homeostasis has been around for centuries. It was Claude Barnard, a 19th century physiologist, who introduced the idea of the internal environment. Later, Walter Cannon expanded on this topic and coined the term homeostasis. Their work laid the foundation for our modern understanding of how the body regulates itself. For homeostasis to work, three main components are involved. First, receptors act as sensors that detect changes like a thermometer. Next, the control center, often the brain, processes this information and decides how to respond. Finally, effectors, which carry out the necessary actions like sweating to cool down. Homeostasis relies heavily on feedback mechanisms. The most common is negative feedback, which acts to reverse a change. For instance, if your blood glucose or blood sugar level rises, insulin is released to bring it back to normal. On the other hand, positive feedback amplifies a change, like during childbirth when contraction increase until delivery. Let's start with thermoregulation. Your body maintains an average temperature of 37 degrees Celsius. When it's too hot, you sweat and blood vessels dilate to release the heat. When it's too cold, you shiver and blood vessels constrict to conserve the heat. Next, blood glucose regulation is the classic example of negative feedback mechanism. When blood sugar spikes after a meal, insulin helps store the glucose. If levels drop, glucagon releases glucose from storage to restore the balance. Water balance is another key process. Your kidneys and the hormone ADH works to ensure you are neither dehydrated nor overhydrated. For example, when you are dehydrated, ADH signals your kidneys to retain the water. Finally, pH balance, which is critical. Blood pH must stay between 7.35 and 7.45. The bicarbonate buffer system helps neutralize excess acids or bases, maintaining this delicate balance. Homeostasis is achieved through the collaboration of different systems. The nervous system ensures quick responses, like reflexes. The endocrine system regulates long term changes using hormones. The cardiovascular system adjusts blood pressure, while the respiratory system balances oxygen and carbon dioxide level. Finally, the renal system manages waste and electrolyte levels. When homeostasis is disrupted, it can lead to disease. For instance, diabetes occurs when blood glucose regulation fails. Hyperthyroidism results from excessive thyroid hormone release, causing various imbalances. Recognizing these disruptions helps us understand and manage various health conditions. Modern medicine leverages our understanding of homeostasis. Treatments like insulin therapy for diabetes or dialysis for kidney failure are life saving. Advances like artificial organs and biofeedback devices aim to restore the balance when body cannot. Before we wrap up, let's quickly review the key points we discussed today. First, homeostasis is essential for maintaining a stable internal environment. It relies on receptors, control centers, and effectors to function efficiently. Feedback mechanisms, especially negative feedback, play a crucial role in restoring the balance. We explored examples like temperature, glucose, and water regulation, as well as how multiple systems work together to achieve this balance. Finally, disruptions in homeostasis can lead to diseases, highlighting its importance in our daily lives and medical advancements. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the fascinating world of homeostasis. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational contents. See you in the next video. Thank you.